Alright, hi guys and welcome to another video. I'm Sam and today I'll do some more unboxing. I bought this one, I bought the bird camera box. I'm gonna try and film my hedgehog and show that I got on my trail camera on the other video. Check that out after this one. Before further ado, we're just gonna check out what's in this box. But the cool thing is about this small like Wi-Fi cameras or any other like CCTV cameras, you can actually manually focus them. So you can screw this and you can manually focus them. You can set them up to take like trigger by motion, whereas camera traps are triggered by like motion and heat sensor stuff. The advantage or disadvantage with this small cameras is they always need power supply, so either be close to house or use external batteries. But look at the size of this one. It's super small. Let's see what else we have. Again, I ordered some extension cords, a USB capture device to make sure I can capture the stuff on my computer. So let's see how this works. Add the antenna to the receiver. Whoop. Antenna. Video 1 and audio 1. Check. I need to unbox this USB capture, video capture stuff to connect to my computer, and then we should be ready to go. Actually, this is the device I need. It's to turn this signal, the video and the audio, into a USB signal. So let's see how this is gonna work. So I'm gonna plug in the audio and the video. This should go straight to my computer. So I'm just gonna connect to my computer and I'll see you inside my desktop. When you scan the QR code in the manual, you get to this website with a lot of help articles. Just check out this other YouTube video and install the iSpy software. In the iSpy software you can easily add a camera. Because my screen capturing was not working perfectly, you cannot see it, but it's quite straightforward. Just you can rotate the camera, you can make it so it's only record when movement is detected. Right. That's what I tried here. Let's put it outside in my hedgehog feeding station. Seems like we have already a visitor. The quality is not as great as my camera traps, but it's just a try. I need to still work on the where to set this Wi-Fi receiver and stuff. More coming soon. In this little guide, there's very nice some information, but also a QR code to scan, and it brings you straight to the help page of how to install this camera. So it's very straightforward. And to learn more about CCTV, I bought this book, the CCTV for Wildlife Monitoring. So definitely gonna read a little bit about this and see what I can do with this, but I'm very excited to try it out. So alright, thanks for watching. If you like this content, you know what to do. And stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video, or watch another video somewhere on the screen. That will be highly appreciated. Bye!